If you want to set up remote on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first of all, we need to go to the app drawer and we need to find the Mi Remote app. Once you open it, you can find Add Remote button over here, or you can use this plus button in the upper right corner. And then we need to choose what type of device or appliance you want to add. So let's say I'm gonna choose TV over here. Most likely you will need to raise the phone because the infrared sensor is located at the back of the phone. So once you raise the phone and point at the device that you want to add into your phone, then you should be able to go next. Over here we have additional instruction. We need to hold the phone with its back facing the device, so just like I said. So once we are ready, just tap on Got It. Then you should be able to choose whichever brand you have. So here we have the list of all brands that we can have of our TV. You can also search for a specific brand. Let's say I'm gonna choose Samsung over here. There we go. And then while pointing the back of the phone at the device, you can choose if the TV is on or off. Well, in my case, it is TV. In your case, it's going to be your appliance that you have selected. In my case, it is on, and then we need to simply follow instructions that you will see on your phone. So in this case, we need to simply use the power button, and then if anything happens, if it worked, if the button worked as intended, then of course you can tap on a yes and the remote is going to be added. But if not, then of course tap on no, and then just keep going all over again until you finally find the button that actually works. Now, of course, the number of tries that you will have in here depends on the brand or manufacturer, because in some cases, for example, like in the case of Samsung TVs, there's lots of different remotes that you can set up, and of course you're looking for the one that is working for you. Whereas in other cases, there is like just one remote that works straight away, so then the setup is going to be actually much shorter. So that is pretty much it. Once you add the remote, then you should be able to have it in here, so you should be able to control your added appliance or device with your smartphone. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.